Today we're going to make a finger light for your glove, and I'm going to show you how. First, we're going to need a basic white LED. Next, we'll need a 3-volt coin cell battery. It's aptly named for its size. The third component we need is a Mercury switch. You can get these at any electronics store, and what's so cool about it is that when you flip it upside down, the mercury falls, and then it connects the two prongs together, completing any circuit that we design. The last item you're going to need is a glove. These shouldn't be too hard to find if it's cold where you live. I made a little diagram to help better explain what we're going to be doing here. First, we're going to add a battery into the glove, then we're going to put a Mercury switch in, and then at the tip, we're going to put the LED. Basically, whenever we lift our hand up in an upward motion, it's going to ignite the LED because the circuit's being completed from the Mercury switch. Take a look at it in real life. We're going to lay it out like this essentially, but first we have to solder everything together. So let's head to step 1. First, we're going to take a little bit of solder and put the anode, or the long end of the LED, onto the positive end of the 3-volt battery. Then we'll flip the battery and wire any end of the Mercury switch to the negative side of the battery. Finally, we'll solder the 2 remaining wires together. Looky here, we just created a gravity-activated LED. Pretty cool, huh? Now it's time to throw it into a glove. Now, glove manipulation isn't as hard as it sounds. All we need is an X-Acto knife or just a sharp blade. We're going to cut along the seams of the glove because we want to be able to sew this up nicely when we're all done. So cut into it and reveal the innards. Don't cut too deep though. I'm going to line up my LED just to make sure everything's going to work out and sort of get an idea of where I'm going to place everything. Okay, now we're going to put our little device into the glove. Put a little duct tape on top of it just to hold it in place. You don't want too much because it'll mess with your finger and mess with the glove and all that good stuff. Now we'll close it up. And we're going to do a little light sewing. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have any black thread, but white will work. Lo and behold, it's all done. Check it out. Now let's see how this thing functions. You'll notice when I swing my hand up, the light turns on. When it's pointed down, it's off. This would be great if you need to get some instant light in the dark or if you're riding your bike. What a wonderful invention. Well, that's all I've got for you today. Peace out from Dylan at Household Hacker. See you next time.